Good morning all of you. Welcome to our channel Easy Maths by Vijaya. Today our topic is data handling exercise 8.3. Okay. See the example of bar graph. Bar graph example. Okay. The span of some animals is given as follows. Some animals lifespan is given. Okay. See bear. Bear has 40 years. The bear lifetime is 40 years. Bull lifetime is 28 years. Span is nothing but lifetime. Okay. Camel is 50 years. Dog is 20 years. Cat 25 years. Donkey 45 years. Goat 15 years. Horse 10 years. Cow 22 years. Elephant 70 years. Okay. Draw a horizontal bar graph to represent the data. Using this data, horizontal bar graph. Horizontal bar graph means bar should be proportional to numbers. Number of ages. Okay. That is the bar graph. See. Draw the bar graph. First you write the y-axis. Y-axis. X-axis. Okay. Center of the y-axis and x-axis is 0. Right on the number on the x-axis you write numbers. Why? Because they are asking bar graphs. Bar should be proportional to number line. So write here numbers. What is the biggest number here? 70. 70 years. Elephant lifetime is 70 years. So we need to write till 100, till 80, till 70. Take skip counting in tens. Okay, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 till 100 you take. Okay. See here 0, between 0 and 10 there is 1 to 9 numbers. Okay. Between 10 to 20 there is 11 to 19 numbers. Between 20 to 30 there is 21 to 29 numbers, like that. Okay. Between 90 to 100 there is, between 90 100 there is 91 to 99 numbers, like. Okay. And here write now names of the animals. Here write names of the ages of the animals. Here names of the animals and names of animals, ages of animals, and you need to create one title. What is the theme of the question here? Write lifespan of animals. Lifespan. You need to create a heading. So lifespan, and on the y-axis names of the animals. First you write bear. First write bear, and bull, camel, dog, cat, afterwards donkey, goat, and elephant. Okay, Right here, elephant. Finally, elephant. Now draw the lifespans of the animals. Bear has how many years? 40 years. So where is 40? See 40. This is 40. Okay. You select in between. There is 5 lines, 5 numbers. One here 1 to 0 to 5 and 5 to 10 like. Okay. So you take one here 5 to 6. You take 1 inch. And afterwards you have to take all bars should be equal width. So take every bar you have to take 1 inch width. 40 years dot here and 40 years. And bull has how many years? 28 years. Bull 20. Where is 20? In between 20 to 20 30 there is in between 21 to 29 numbers. So 28 will be in between 20 to 30. So here 29, 28 may be here. Okay. So bull. Take 1 inch. Okay, bull age is 28 years. And again camel. Camel has 50 years. Where is 50 here? Camel. 50 is here. So take 1 inch from camel. So here 50. Okay. Camel has 50 years. And dog has 22 years. Where is 22 years? Here between 20 to 30 there is 22. So 21, 22, right here. And dog. Okay, take 1 inch width. This is dog age 22 years. And cat has 25 years. Between 20 to 30 there is 25. Here 25. Cat. Okay. Cat has 25 years. And again donkey. Donkey has 45 years. Where is 45? Between 40 to 50 there is 45. Okay, right here 45. Okay, this is 45. 45. And again 45. Goat has 15 years. Goat, where is goat? Goat 15 years. 10 to 20 there is 15. So goat 15 years. Okay, 15 years. And horse has 10 years. Where is horse? Goat, cow we didn't write, sorry. Here goat, horse, cow and elephant. Okay, horse has 10 years. So this is 10. Horse. Ten years. Okay. 10 years. And cow has 22 years. See here, 22 years again. 22 already. Dog has also 22 years. Again cow has 22 years. Okay. Elephant has 70 years. Elephant has 70 years. Where is elephant? 70 years. So this is the lifespan of animals. See, through the bar graph you can say the ages of animals. See, dog. See, first bear has 40 years and bull has 28 years. Camel has 50 years. Okay. Dog has 22 years. 22. Dog has 22 years. Okay. And cat has 28 years. Okay. And donkey has 45 years. Goat has 15 years. Okay. Goat has 15 years. And horse has 10 years. Okay. Horse has 10 years. Cow has 15. Cow has 22 years. Cow has 22 years. Sorry, here that is. Okay, cow has 22 years. Goat has 15 years. Cow has 22 years. That is. Finally, elephant has 70 years. Okay. Using bar graph, you can tell the different type of data. Okay. This is the lifespan of animals. Okay. This is the horizontal bar graph. See, in horizontal bar graph, horizontal bar should be proportional to number line. See, all bars are proportional to number line, and also every bar should be equal width. Okay. Bar to bar there is equal distances. See, equal distances. So this is the bar graph of lifespan of animals.